YouTube, and today I'll be showing you how to change your slider knob to custom images and logos. And all you need for this is a jailbroken iDevice, the app Winterboard right here, and you will need to download a slider of your choice. And after you download Winterboard, which is very easy, you just type in right here Winterboard and search. It's right there, Cydia Telesaforio system. You download that. I already have it, obviously. And then you will type in, after you've downloaded Winterboard, you'll type in slider and search. And then you have here lots of sliders you can choose from: NBA slider, NFL slider, red slider, 3G slider, Volkswagen slider, DC slider, and so on and so forth. You download one of your choice, and then you will either enter Winterboard through here, the app, or you can enter it through the settings right here. And then you change it. You just go to select theme and you choose the slider you downloaded, and after you respring your device, it should look something like this. And see, I have the Jägermeister bottle down there, and that's it. Hope you guys can figure it out and enjoy. Thanks.